G'day everyone. So, I have picked up one of these. An antique pepper mill from Timber Bits. Thank you, Dave. Dave's a really nice guy and he owns Timber Bits. He's from Sydney and you can find this. Yeah, anyway, there's the shop details, where it is. And you can also get on the interwebs and type in www.timberbits.com.au and his website's there. He's got all sorts of stuff. He's got pepper mills, salt and pepper grinder stuff, heaps of pen blanks, pen kits. That's most of the time where I've gotten most of my pen kits. He's a really good guy. I think he also has a YouTube channel, so if you're feeling bored, go and check it out. And so for this project, I've made up this blank. This blank I made actually years ago, and basically I've glued, what are they called? Gardening sticks together. Right, so this used to be the stakes you put in the ground to grow your tomato plants up on and stuff like that. So yeah, I think, looking at it, one of them is an oak. I think the dark one is an oak of some description, and this one, I don't have a clue, probably some sort of gum. They're quite dense, quite hard. Yeah, so I'm going to get this on the lathe, turn it up, and then stick the mill on top. Let's go do that. Alright, let's go. Come on. We're only going over there. We're going to use the Nova today. Come on, let's go. And go. There we are. Alright, here it is. One little pepper grinder. Antique pepper grinder. There we are. Something for the steak. Alright. Nah, good little project. I would say, yeah, go out and get yourself a couple of these. Just between you and me. Make sure you drill a 2.5mm hole for your screws. It only takes 2 screws. Here you basically line it up with the hole. It's not finished yet. Yeah, you basically drill and then screwdriver it down. I did have to put a few $2 in the bugger bottle for this one. Stripped one of the screws. It's alright. It comes with spares. So yes, here it is. I'll get up close. It's really quite interesting with the different bits of wood. Finished it off with some hard wax, just normal furniture, hard furniture beeswax. It's come up really nicely. The reason why I chose beeswax is it makes it food safe. You don't have any nasty chemicals getting in there. Oh, just good old pepper. So there we are, our antique pepper mill. Chin chin, ta-ta. See you guys all soon. Hooroo.